welcome to Stampin' Bliss with April Stevenson, your independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up. This is Paper Pumpkin, and it is fantastic. This is March kit that came about the middle of the month of March, and I'm so excited. I've had it for a few days, but I haven't opened it yet because I thought I would just open it and share it with you. You're not able to get this kit anymore because it was exclusive for past Paper Pumpkin subscribers for the month of March, but I wanted to show you anyway all of the fun and exciting things in it to give you a taste of what you could have in your home delivered to you contact-free for crafting and fun in the month of April. So here we go. I love this box. In the past, our boxes have been mostly orange. This is Paper Pumpkin, but I love this design on this box. I will probably reuse it for something fun to store. When you get your Paper Pumpkin, it comes like this with all your goodies inside. You get, your first kit will come with a block, and then subsequent kits come without the block, but you get an ink spot, sometimes more than one. You can also order and have a block that I love with Stampin' Up. It's got nice grooves on it, and it's just sturdy and it's great for stamping. The block that you get with your first kit is also wonderful to use. It's just not quite as thick as our traditional blocks that we use. So you get stamp sets. This one has goodies galore in it. This is a lot of stamps. With the glare, hopefully you can see that okay. Oh my gosh, look how cute. There's some boots and some flowers and a rabbit. How perfect. This looks like maybe like a porch. Oh, fantastic. Some grass. Over here we have some clouds, different sizes of clouds, some wonderful sayings. You are capable of amazing things, no matter the weather. We're in this together. If that's not appropriate and perfect for our time right now, as we are social distancing. Wishing you brighter days ahead. Some flowers and 3 different sizes of a heart, and let love grow. How fantastic is that saying? So I'm blown away by how many images we have in this kit. How fantastic. And then here is add some spring to your crafts with your free stamp set. That is why we have extra kits in here, is there is a free additional one for the month of March. March is Paper Pumpkin's birthday, so Stampin' Up is generous in sending us a little birthday gift on behalf of them. You know, kind of like at school when you were a kid and you brought in the birthday treat. I never quite understood that. Even as a teacher, I'm like, if you want to bring in a birthday treat for the students, for everyone in the class, you can. But it's like, your birthday, shouldn't we be bringing you the treat? Anyway, Paper Pumpkin's like school. They're providing the treat for the birthday. We open up this fun tissue, kind of like, you know how at fancy stores they wrap in tissue paper, or at least that was my experience in Europe. Things got wrapped in tissue paper. And here we have samples of what our projects are going to look like. So everything I need to make these are right in. I'm gonna set that aside. Everything that I need to make these projects are all bundled so nice and neatly in my package right here. So let's go ahead and open that up. All the goodies. And one thing my experience has been with Paper Pumpkin is I always have extra too. So like I will have plenty to make the projects and then extras that I can use on future projects as well. Here are the instructions, no matter the weather, March 2020. And then visual instructions with brief word instructions as well. So it gives, this one looks like it has 6 steps. 6 steps, how simple is that? 6 steps. So we have some glue dots, some fun raindrops, which you probably really can't see because they're clear. So these here are glue dots, adhesive that we can put on our project to hold things together. How fun are these? So they're raindrops. I don't know if you'll be able to see those or not, but they're shaped in teardrops or raindrops and little round circles. We have some baker's toy. I'm gonna guess that it's Pear Pizzazz, which is just a fun springy green. These are Stampin' Dimensionals, and Stampin' Dimensionals are great. They're adhesive. They give a lift to your projects. We have envelopes. This is going to make 12 cards. I have a secret helper over here whispering to me things. I don't know if you can hear her or not. She's awesome. So your kit includes, so here is all the information your kit includes. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors, Balmy Blue, Basic Gray, Calypso Coral, Grapefruit Grove, Gray Granite, Pear Pizzazz, Petal Pink, Shaded Spruce, and So Saffron. So if you are wanting to do additional projects, those are colors that are going to coordinate well. And then it even gives you do more with this month's kit and gives you some information on that. And all of these great social media resources that you can use for additional ideas and fun. So we have our envelopes, 12 envelopes. Oh my goodness, look how cute these cards are. So just like our box, umbrella, rain boots, love it. This looks like a sky and maybe some asphalt. So fun. And a rainy gray sky with some grass. Here are our elements that we get to add to it. I love when I just have to add some elements and it's so colorful and bright. We've got rain boots, a bunny, some hearts, some flowers, some more different rain boots. How great is this, rain boots with flowers? And then here are some great tags that we can, I'm guessing, are going to stamp on with sentiments. Looking back at our cards. And I love how our envelopes coordinate as well. It has printed liner, if you will, on the inside and coordinated. So here, again, you aren't able to get this kit. I wanted to show it to you so that if you think this is awesome, go ahead and subscribe. See the link down below to Paper Pumpkin by April 10th to get April's kit. Have a family focus. I will be sending a card to the first 10 people who make a comment on this video, something that they liked, or a question that they have about Stampin' Up. Once I read your comment, I will get in touch with you to get a mailing address, and I will send you one of these cards with Make Today's Blissful and Stamp On.